So next we are going to go over how to solve the special cases, so the no solution and infinitely many solution problems by elimination. So for elimination, to start with, we have to decide which variable we want to get rid of in all three of those equations. So honestly, it doesn't matter which variable you choose, but try to kind of think ahead on us adding the equations together to figure out which pairs would be the easiest to get rid of. So looking at this, I'm going to choose to eliminate the y's because I only would have to multiply one of the equations in both sets by a -1. All right, so I'm going to choose to take -1 times equation 1 and then add it to equation 2. So in equation 1, all the signs are going to flip. So 6x plus 2y minus 2z equals 8. And then equation 2 is going to stay the same. So 3x minus 2y minus 4z equals positive 8. So we are adding those together. So 9x, the y's cancel, minus 6z equals 16. Again, I'm just going to put a little star by that so I remember to come back to it. Okay. And then for my second addition problem, I'm just going to take -1 times my equation 1 again. And then this time I'm going to add it to equation 3. So again, in equation 1, all the signs will flip. So 6x plus 2y minus 2z equals 8. And then equation 3 is staying the same. So 6x minus 2y minus 6z equals -18. So if I'm adding, that will give me 12x. The y's cancel. And then this will be minus 8z equals -10. All right, so now I'm going to put a little star. We are going to combine our two new equations together. So we have 9x minus 6z equals 16, and then 12x minus 8z equals -10. So now I'm deciding if I want to switch to substitution or continue with elimination. And I'm going to choose to continue with elimination. So I'm going to decide to eliminate the x's. Actually, no, I changed my mind. I'm going to eliminate the z's just so I have smaller numbers. So 6 and 8 both divide into 24. So I'm going to take my top equation times, let's do -4. And then the second one times 3. So this will give me -36x plus 24z equals -64. And then if I distribute my 3, this will be a positive 36x plus 24, minus 24z equals -30. So what's going to happen is that both my x and my z cancel, so I'm left with 0, and then that will be -94. So at this point, all of my variables have canceled out, and I have to decide if this is a true or false statement. So this is a false statement, so that means that my answer for this is no solution. Okay? So if at any point, whether it's on one of these two steps, if all your variables are eliminated on the one side, so we have 0 equal to a number, so if we're getting a false statement, we can stop and say that our answer is no solution.